I'm just up here for more support for nail sleep plan. Now, if this works out right, we'll be able to have like an open space without him snoring. So, but we're going to wait till he's good and passed out before we really start talking shit. So just listen. For those of you just entering, you're listening to Neil Sleep with the CPAP machine. So he left open mics, and hopefully he won't snore. And he's going to kill me when he hears this in the morning. He's going to call me all kinds of bad things. But that's okay.